This Aloe Liquid Soap is truly fantastic.
I've been using Aloe Liquid Soap lately, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. This stuff is packed with natural goodness. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, so it's perfect for sensitive skin. It cleanses without stripping away moisture, which is a huge win for anyone who's tired of that tight, dry feeling after washing their hands. Plus, it's super versatile. You can use it for everything from hand washing to body wash. I even use it for a quick face cleanse sometimes. And the best part? It's often free from harsh chemicals, so you're doing your skin a favor while keeping it clean. If you're looking for something that smells fresh and feels great, Aloe Liquid Soap is definitely worth a try. It's like a little spa treatment every time you wash up.